Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can go ahead and farm the Curvance airdrop. Now we would be farming this airdrop on Bera chain, and farming this airdrop is pretty easy and I will be showing you all the steps involved. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So currently there is no buying fee on Mexi Global, and the selling fee or the taker fee is only 0.02%. So if you are someone who is dealing in futures, this is one of the best exchanges out there because of the lowest possible fees. Now apart from this, you can also go ahead and buy different coins and tokens. So there are more than 3000 plus options available on Mexi Global platform. In order to farm the Curvance airdrop, you will need to have a MetaMask wallet. Now if you are new to airdrop farming, you can go ahead and download a MetaMask wallet and set it up on your Chrome browser. Now I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now the next step would be to go ahead and sign up for the Curvance airdrop. Now in total 4% of the overall supply would be airdrop to the community, which is not a big percentage, but still it's fine. Now once you have signed up for the Curvance airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet over here first, and then go ahead and click on markets. Now head a bit down, and there are multiple options available over here, which is deposit, lend and borrow. So click on deposit, and you will need this testnet tokens like wrap BTC, USDC and LUSD. So in order to get this testnet tokens, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and click on faucet and click on claim all. Now since I have already claimed all the faucets, that's the reason why it's not giving me the option to go ahead and claim it again. But you can claim this faucet every 24 hours. Now once you have gone ahead and claimed it, you can go ahead and deposit all of these collaterals over here, which is wrap BTC, USDC and LUSD. Now once you go ahead and proceed with the deposits, you can also go ahead and click on lend section, and you can go ahead and lend your testnet USDC, wrap BTC and S wrapped ETH. And also go ahead and click on borrow. And as you can see, in borrow also you have the option of USDC, wrap BTC and SW ETH. Now after completing all of this, simply go ahead and click on this manage locks and go a bit down, and you should have this CVE balance, and over here you can go ahead and lock your CVE. So I will be going ahead and locking it for 12 months. Simply go ahead and click on approve and go ahead and confirm this. So these are some of the steps what you can currently do in order to farm the Curvance airdrop. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.